How you doing?
I'm okay.
How you been feeling?
Very tight in the back, right there.
Any headaches?
Well, my daughter was very clean because she hasn't feeling very good lately, so. I've been wanting to get an adjustment. I'm like, I can get into it. Sweet.
Have to get you a little more consistent.
Yeah, oh, trust me. Well, I wanted to come in last time I was here, but I think you were off that day. But spring break or something.
Oh,
But I was trying to get in here like I think I was in here 2 weeks ago. So. I know consistency's definitely needed.
Dr. J, what are you doing?
do a little trigger point work.
Is that like not in place or something?
It's in place.
Okay. 'Cause
It's
feels-
in spasm.
It's really bad. That and my lower extremities on my right side has been gnarly.
What's going on with those?
Possibly too much sitting, but I don't know. It like my glutes tighten up and that, starts down my quads and my hamstrings too, so try to loosen that area up. Yep, right over there.
Dr. J, what are you doing?
Well, he needs some extension. So we're going to do a thoracic adjustment.